pound yen, we had amazing trade, guys. If you look ahead, if you follow our analysis on the YouTube, guys, you can see here, we've been short here, beautiful in my previous analysis. And then today, then even at the Asian session, we have taken this long trade here, as you can see here, price nicely respected, especially when you look ahead, this candle, a bullish engulfing candle, and afterwards, our bias was long, and as explained, matters just keep taking a pullback. So we really enjoyed it. The target was around this level and squeeze amazing profit. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. That was a Hello traders. Today is the Thursday, 5th of Jan 2025. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market today and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the analysis. All right, guys, if you look at the pound dollar, as you have seen yesterday, we had this beautiful long trade here. So we were expecting pull back around this level. As you can see here, the price broke on this pattern, and we were expecting some pullback, especially when you look at here, this one, bullish engulfing candles. We had this long trade, and at the New York session, we also had this beautiful long trades. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. If you look at the pound dollar, we had this morning, we had this breakout, and afterwards, basically, we just keep taking a pullback. That was a beautiful breakout long trade this morning. And the New York session, we had another beautiful long trade here. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here, with the based on the previous analysis, we had this beautiful breakout. You can see impulsive correction, and then pullback. And then based on the New York session, we have another beautiful moment. As long as the momentum is bullish, so we were taking up expecting a long trade here. As soon as the price is broken, hit to the profit target, and that's what exactly we mentioned our trader. It's time to squeeze amazing profit. So that was a pretty straightforward pound dollar. And if you look at the pound yen, we had amazing trade, guys. If you look ahead, if you follow our analysis on the YouTube, guys, you can see here, we've been short here, beautiful in my previous analysis. And then today, then even at the Asian session, we have taken this long trade here, as you can see here, price nicely respected, especially when you look ahead, this candle, a bullish engulfing candle, and afterwards, our bias was long, and as explained, matters just keep taking a pullback. So we really enjoyed it. The target was around this level and squeeze amazing profit. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. So we have pretty straightforward. We've been taking a long trade here. That was a Asian session breakout. And after that, we had another beautiful long trade here. That was the pretty standard and straightforward. Our bias was long. As you can see, as soon as the price developed a false breakout here, that give us a high probability of long, price nicely broken. Even after that, price nicely broken previous high and develop a pullback. Amazing long trade on pound yen. And we have another beautiful long trade here, pretty straightforward. And afterwards, you can see here how many pullbacks we had and squeeze amazing profit, guys, on pound yen. That's the last trade we had it. As you can see here, the price developed impulsive reaction to the downside. As explained here, this is the area of interest. Look for pullback. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this one and give us the confirmation, then we're looking at short trade here. As you can see here, the price nicely developed pullback and mostly traders still holding. That was a beautiful long trade, last long trade here on pound yen. All right, so if you look at the Euro USD, we also had a long trade here. And if you look at here, if you look at the previous price action, and we have this impulsive reaction. After impulsive price developed correction, that give us the high probability. We had this beautiful long trade, and this was the target. Price nicely hit and squeeze amazing profit, guys. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward. We had a long trade. This was the London, this is the New York session. Beautiful long trade, squeeze amazing profit. Previously, price developer consolidation, price nicely broken. After that, squeeze amazing profit on Euro USD. As soon as the price rejected here, we also had a short trade here on Euro USD. That was a pretty straightforward. The key important thing, as always mentioned to our trader, we're looking at high and lows. If you look ahead, this is the low and this is the high. So this is the key area for us to look for the price action. As you can see here, the price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price retest give us the confirmation the possibility price might gonna hit this low level. So we squeezed very decent profit on Euro USD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. But if you want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, all the best.